All right, here we are, round 2. Took a few pictures from my calendar for 2025. So now it kind of zigzags over here to, used to cross over there, and then they took it out. They just made you come up and over. I didn't feel like going up and over. Here we go. Oh man, oh man. Yeah, it's a nice trail. I think I said before, I have a whole bunch in Iowa. And the Sioux line is 110 miles. That goes from all the way from from Royalton to Wisconsin. 110 miles. Kind of cool. It'd be fun to bike. Bring a little trailer with you for your tent along the way. Camp out somewhere. There was a guy saw a video. He jogged. He went and planted his tent way in advance, and he camped along the way on this old abandoned railroad track. It's kind of cool. See, I think maybe the right was the old train yard. If you look at this more down below, and there was kind of see remnants of. Because right now on my right is they bring a lot of concrete in and grind it up. Bunch of turkeys up here. If we can, we're hanging out. Yeah, they're working on a Saturday. So they grind it all up, make stuff out of it. Yep, here they are. Turkey lurkey. Look out. The immigrants are going to be eating them. Yeah, that cat thing, some chick accused the neighbors. That got out of hand on Facebook. Remember, if you see it on Facebook, it must be true, right? Hey guys, what's happening? What's going on, guys? I call these land turtles. The hell? I'm gonna take a picture of them real quick. Let's see. Hey guys, smile. Uh-huh. All right, off we go. I have a whole bunch in my backyard on occasion. Off we go. You go over to the Veterans Hospital over there in Hiawatha. There's a whole bunch. But they see them dead once in a while on the highway. A lot of geese. All right. To my left, coming up here, Bent Creek golf course. It's a private. When I worked for International Hair Goods, the Japanese loved golf. So they put me on the membership. I just had to pay, I had to spend $120 there a month. That wasn't a problem, that was easy. Ate there twice a week. It was easy. It's fun Fun little golf course. Used to be Edenvale. This is great going this way because you're going downhill. Hey, good. Oh, too much work. Young man, you got my love and affection, man. Woo. It's too much. Occasionally you'll see some deer down here. Once in a while they'll kind of pop out. You saw those wild turkey. And the other golf course, in the next video when we get up there, Eden Prairie Bear Path. It's a gated. It's a fun little golf course to my left there. It's fun. No little driving range, but a lot of nice houses over here. Eden Prairie bought the old super value. What do you want to call that thing? It was their home office until they got bought by somebody else. Saw that the other day. Beautiful back in there. I did a couple of videos a couple of years ago back in there. It's really cool. Old farm land. This last place for losers. I've walked in there with my bike down here. Looked in there for golf balls for fun one time. But yep, 5 dozen of corn humping it. I'm like, oh my goodness. A lot of work. Ooh. My bell. Yeah, some nice houses down in here. Down, down, down. Just kind of nice. Having the time of our lives. You know, let the trees grow, so it gives it kind of a country feel. Because before a train went through, they trimmed all these trees back. There's another trail. Be kind of fun to ride. It starts in Hopkins. It broke off from this one, and that goes all the way out to Lake Minnetonka. That'd be a fun one to bike someday. Goes by Lunds, parallels Minnetonka Boulevard. And there's another trail that kind of parallels along 494. That's up and downhill. That's, you know, maybe someday, who knows. But you see a lot of personal trails from houses onto here. You know, I have my own little trail on mine. One thing about this camera, you guys, I bought another battery, but you can get on a nice day, I can get 5, 6 videos out of it. With the GoPro, maybe 3. It's a good camera, but DJI, I know a lot of the vloggers, Daily Woo, Cartbagger, all those guys, Tampa J, all these guys have the, I have the one, the, what do they call that one? The DJI Pocket. I like it, but this one is just, you know, they got great video stabilization. They gave GoPro for their money. I like the GoPro. I just say if they have better batteries or better processor. I mean, there's no excuse that you can't get 4 good 11-minute videos over something. Like I said, you guys know I don't edit shit. On my phone I might, but I don't have time for that kind of stuff. And hope and pray all the time you're putting into it goes out. Hey, whatever I get, man. Who's barking down there? Oh, it's a beagle. He's barking away. So we're going across Valley View Road. So, a little sprinkling. But I think it's just a light. We'll kind of get up here. Perfect. All right. Let's go over. Great. I'd play in this rain. I wouldn't care. So we'll kind of sit here for a little bit and hang out. Try to get out of the rain. So, all right. Oh. Anyways, so that's round 2, you guys. A little rain on there. So we're gonna take a little rest here, have a little beverage. We'll do some more.